My coming into the ministry was a call, and it was an actual call. I remember so many things that had happened in airports, and when we'd go visit you in New York, or we'd visit Andy or Mike, and this is before I answered my call. God put me in positions to help people in extraordinary positions. And I never really thought about it. I thought, oh, thank you, God, for letting me do that. And then one night I couldn't sleep and something nudged me. So I thought it was your dad because he snored. And I thought it was him and he was straight out. And no, that wasn't him. And this happened about a week, for about 5 days in a row. Every night, same time, I'd wake up, I'd feel this nudge. And the last night that it happened, I sat straight up in the bed and I said, okay, God, I'm yours. And that was my call story.